Welcome back to our weight loss channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Today, we will be giving a few helpful tips to our newbies, who just started their weight loss/fitness journey. The following are a few helpful tips for making your workout successful as you start out. Step 1, warm up before each workout with a few minutes of easy cardio. Step 2, make sure to ease into things by starting out with alternating rest days and exercise days, 3 workouts per week. If you are just starting out, make sure not to push yourself so hard. Apparently everything in life takes a gradual process, which is also applicable to your weight loss and fitness journey. That is why the third tip will be to gradually progress to 4 to 5 workouts per week. Pay attention to your body. If you feel pain or excessive fatigue with any given exercise, do not continue, you must stop immediately. Moreover, if you're really sore after a workout, take an extra rest day even if you plan to work out the following day. Like I mentioned earlier, you do not have to push yourself so hard. There's absolutely no need to go hard on yourself as a beginner because you are not going to get all your results in a day. It's all a gradual process. Thank you for watching, stay tuned for more.